Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Klipsch Cinema 600 carousel soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to your device or not syncing or pairing to something, or if it keeps disconnecting or not responding. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to wipe all of the Wi-Fi, all of the pairing history and everything off, the settings off of it, so that you can go ahead and get a fresh start on this and set it up basically like it's coming out of the box new. So all we need to do is we're just going to come and find the power button here and the source button that's right next to it, and press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds, it will reset and you'll see the source light will turn orange, which is the same source light as TV. So if you want to take it off TV source ahead of time, so you're sure that it's working, when the source light comes on orange, and you'll see 3 white LED lights, that will indicate that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set this soundbar up as a brand new soundbar.